A delegation of the state's BJP parliamentary party, along with party members under the leadership of Meghalaya Health Minister Shri A.L. Hek and Shri Sanbor Shulai, MLA of 19th South Shillong constituency, had called upon the Honorable Governor of Meghalaya, Shri Satyapal Malik, on 17th December 2020 to request him to discuss with the Honorable Prime Minister of the country, Shri Narendra Modi, as well as with the Union Home Minister, Shri Amit Shah, about matters relating to the implementation of inline permit and MRSSA in Meghalaya. Besides these issues, the delegation also discussed matters relating to peace talks with the banned HNLC outfit, the search and selection of a new vice-chancellor for Northeastern Hill University from amongst qualified people of the state, preferably from amongst the women folk, and also the issue of the National Investigation Agency's prolonged custody of Father Stan Swami.
Di Kong kawang ngeken kumdu bau di bentik of yak ILP but Honorable Prime Minister jungi but Honorable Home Minister jungi Amit Shah bon Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji kata kati kijing kerpat kijungi kum nagalian ke parliamentary party pada party BJP nag beta bon ra ya kadi kubur ba mangiru ngia support ya ka ILP no tiga ba aru ngeken nag wanta jong ke license selor jong nehu tinggal yu kumbagalong benta ki babon ki nongsong snong ki kwa hi ki brio na paga state ke jungi ti kumbagalong benta ngiru ngi kerpat hi kata rada bala balong ti nomor bagade ga nehu gade jong North Eastern Hill University jong North Eastern State hi borang away ti jag bagadun na shalong ti ngiru ngi bu hi ya ga jingkerpat wala la balong ti benwara dai ki brio na po ke state ni belalong qualified bomlong qualified gimpan belalong qualified ke bet benlong ku by chancellor namar bagadi tat ka matrimonial state dada kalong dada preferably dada long da I long kemi HNLC mo ki group ki metal group jungi makiru kin kwa banyo ay kajing kan isuk at central government tinagalian juga party maurul association mangiru nagalian party bangi day bandit siya po Delhi anyo banyakan but Honorable Prime Minister but Honorable Home Minister nagbanta banwara jingi krinesuk hapoding juga sarkar but ka HNLC.
Also addressing newsmen after the meeting was Sanbor Shulai, the MLA of 19th South Shillong constituency, who informed media persons that the discussion with the Honorable Governor of the state was a positive one and that all matters discussed would be taken up with the centre on the latter's visit to New Delhi from 18th December 2020, where he would be spending almost a month in the national capital in meeting with various leaders of the NDA-led government.
Jangan mesti punya kenduri wabun banyak kerpat lem banyak keren baga sel government ban pelan bala nak yang jung gubernur kalau beri positif udah sengap kumuhe juga state lah sengap baik lagi issues ke kerpat yo ke issues baru record di baru bisa ra bersanggar kepala yang jumlah punya kan bagi central leader lalu prime minister atau home minister Amit Shah Narendra Modi